Okay guys, hotel review time. This hotel is called Nature Beach Resort and it's located on Lonely Beach in Koh Chang, Thailand. This is the room I stayed in. It was the only one available when I was there. It was alright, nothing wrong with it, but they do have nicer places. Not sure why it's so dark blue, but it is what it is. This hotel is considered 3 stars and it's got an 8.4 out of 10 rating on Agoda with over 3,300 reviews. A lot of people has reviewed this place. A very interesting bathroom because it's got a plastic roof, which makes it kind of cool in the daytime, but at 6 o'clock in the morning, the first day I was there was 2 monkeys fighting on the bathroom roof. And that's not a good way to wake up, let me tell you. I paid $1,200 a night here, which included breakfast, but it looks like the price has gone up quite a bit. Maybe that's the time of year. Could do with a little paint in the bathroom, as you can see. The room's a bit dark because of the color, but it was alright. The bed was comfortable. I have no issues with it. Here's outside. Lots of these little bungalows here, but the ones at the front are much nicer than these. I stayed here for 3 nights. I actually tried to extend one more night, but they were full. I'll put the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check it out. Check out the prices, the availability on your dates. I really liked it here. I definitely stay here again, that's for sure. Nice, quiet place. Restaurant's good, food's good, beach is good. Didn't appreciate the monkeys at 6 o'clock in the morning. But that's living in nature on a tropical island. It's a beautiful place. Here's the newer bungalows. Much nicer rooms. And they do have other styles of rooms as well. These are a little bit more expensive. Here's the pool. Beautiful pool. And it's right on the edge of the beach. I didn't spend much time here in the daytime. I was rather busy, but I enjoyed a couple of nights here just relaxing. There's where you check in. That's a part of the restaurant. The food here is really, really good as well. Very nice, very unique. It's nice to find something different. And it's right on the edge of the beach. There's the beach, nice and relaxing. It's really, really nice, this beach in the morning. It's rather long, as you can see, yeah? It was quite popular in the evening. A lot of people on the beach in the evenings. But in the morning, it was just me. I was up early thanks to the monkeys. On the first day, the monkeys woke me up rather early. But it's a beautiful place for a nice walk down the beach, that's for sure. And for me, that's what it's all about, just a really nice place to relax. Getting to the $1,000,000 question, would I stay here again? Absolutely. I actually tried to stay another night, as I said before. But unfortunately, it was full. Just beautiful, huh? I ate here a couple of times. Food was delicious. I had a pizza, the first night here I had a pizza, and it was, well, the best pizza I've had in a long time, but nothing compared to the other food. Here's breakfast, pretty typical for a 3-starred Thailand hotel, that's for sure. But it had bacon, which is very unusual. Don't see that very often anymore, that's for sure. And the bacon was actually really good. Breakfast, only okay. Typical Thailand hotel breakfast. At least the eggs weren't cold like I've gotten in a lot of places. Alright guys, well that's it. That's my review based on my time here. Like I said, I actually tried to extend this trip by one more day, and unfortunately they were full. And the hotel I ended up at just down the beach, it was so bad I won't be doing a review on it. And it's a big name hotel. I'll leave it at that. This one is a good place to stay. The other one, not so much. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Like I said, link to Agoda is in the video description if you want to check this place out on your dates. I have noticed the price has gone up a bit.